Welcome to new episode of Sing AutoZone. Battery technology is the centerpiece of the electric vehicle ecosystem. There are a number of startups in the country making headway into research and development of battery technology and sporting domains. In this update, we share total 7 such companies who cover a wide range including indigenous battery design, repurposing of used batteries for second life applications, research on new battery chemistries, development of sporting softwares and firmwares. Number 1, Ion Energy, Mumbai. Founded in 2016, Ion Energy focus on battery design, battery data analytics and development of battery management systems. The startup takes a software first approach for improving battery life and performance. Ion's flagship product is an advanced battery intelligence platform called Edison Analytics that helps identify reasons for battery degradation and suggest corrective measures to increase battery life. The company also provides a platform for battery manufacturers and OEMs to accelerate battery management system development. Ion's electronic pass platform as a service solution allows companies to get their own BMS while slashing electronics cost by up to 40% and getting their product from the design phase to the market in as little as 3 months. Ion Energy acquired the French BMS company Freemans SAS in Feb 2018. Number 2 is Log9 Material, Bangalore. Founded in 2014, Log9 Material is a leading startup in the field of nanotechnology. Log9 Material is the largest manufacturer of graphene in the country. With an aim to make global energy 100% clean, the startup has developed aluminum fuel cells for both mobility and stationary energy applications. Their aluminum fuel cells can power an electric car to run over 1000 kilometers without needing to recharge. The company is currently focused on building stationary power generation system and eventually progress to mobility applications. Log9 has so far raised 3.9 million US dollar in seed and series A rounds. Number 3, Greentech, Chennai. Founded in 2018, Greentech works on lithium-ion cell to pack technology and supplies lithium-ion battery packs for multiple EV applications. The technology is indigenously developed and helps cater to application-specific needs of the Indian EV industry. They are based out of IIT Madras Research Park. Greentech has also developed patented technology in partnership with Qualcomm for its electric two-wheeler battery targeted at swapping applications. The company website claims it to be 7.5 times more capable than the average battery management system. Greentech stood third in the Design in India challenge by Qualcomm in 2019. Number 4, Loham Cleantech, Delhi. Founded in 2018, Loham provides battery life cycle solutions, including first life battery packs, second life battery packs, and end of life material extraction. Loham performs full stack recycling of used lithium-ion batteries to extract materials such as cobalt, graphite, manganese sulfates, and nickel sulfate, which can be further used to produce new lithium-ion cells. The company also manufactures lithium-ion battery pack for low power mobility applications such as electric three-wheelers and scooters. The battery packs are designed keeping in view that the hot and dusty environmental conditions and feature vibration suppressions of uneven roads. Number 5, Gigadyne Energy, Mumbai. Founded in 2015, Gigadyne Energy has patented the technology that will offer higher energy density and longer life cycle than lithium-ion batteries and allow 0 to 100% recharging in just 15 minutes. The technology has been developed in India and uses patent advanced nanomaterials composites. Unlike lithium-ion, the constituent material for Gigadyne battery can be sourced from within the country and will have no import dependencies. The company Extract debuted the technology commercially in 2022. Gigadyne Energy was awarded Energy Startup of the Year at the 9th Annual Entrepreneur Awards 2019. and the founder were featured in Forbes India 30 under 30 this year. Number 6. ZipTrax Cleantech, Delhi. Founded in 2016, ZipTrax has developed advanced technology for lithium battery life extension, reuse, and circular loop recycling. The company assesses the state of health of used lithium-ion batteries and refabricated the battery packs for suitable second life applications in mobility or stationary storage. ZipTrax also claimed to extend the service life of lithium-ion batteries by combining it with their artificial intelligence-based technology and IoT-enabled hardware. This makes their refurbished lithium-ion batteries last for over 30% longer. And last, number 7, Inverted, Delhi. Founded in 2017, Inverted Energies develops energy storage technologies. Inverted has developed an ecosystem of integrated products designed to enable any residential, commercial, or industrial building to generate, store, and consume its own energy. The lithium-ion batteries developed by Inverted are sold under the product name Lithium Plus and come with an integrated battery management system. So these are the total 7 EV startups who are doing good on different battery chemistries. Hope you like these updates. Go green, go electric.